Firm Mobile App Overview. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into TaxDome's Firm Mobile App. The TaxDome mobile app empowers you to manage your firm on the go, providing the flexibility to handle tasks from anywhere. With seamless access to your firm's CRM, you can stay connected and responsive to your clients' needs. The app's intuitive navigation allows you to manage chats, view and edit client documents, and oversee workflows with ease, mirroring the desktop experience on your mobile device. Whether you're adding notes, managing jobs, or setting up biometric authentication for enhanced security, the TaxDome app ensures that your firm's operations are always within reach, keeping you organized and efficient no matter where you are. Once you've installed the TaxDome mobile app, you'll need to log in and set up a passcode, which will be required every time you open the app. After confirming your passcode, you'll be asked to allow biometric authentication. This way, you can opt for the convenience of using Face ID or a fingerprint instead of entering a 4-digit passcode. If you'd like to enable it, tap Turn on Face ID in the pop-up window. Otherwise, tap Maybe Later. The first page is the inbox, where you'll find a personalized notification hub of firm and client activity. It is identical to the one in your portal, making it a great way to stay up to date with everything happening in your firm. At the top of your home screen, you'll find links to perform quick actions, such as creating new accounts or contacts, starting a new chat thread, or uploading documents. On the chat screen, you can see threads from all clients. Chats are arranged chronologically, with unread ones at the top, so you can quickly jump to the most relevant conversations and respond to urgent messages. You can also clearly see which threads have unread messages and incomplete client tasks. Messages can be created with just one click, either written from scratch or by using templates. Within each chat, you can manage client tasks through the Tasks tab, adding, checking, or deleting items as needed. Exchanging documents is seamless. Upload files from your device, share files already stored in the client portal, or take photos of paper documents with our scanner. All document interactions within chats mirror those in the document section, ensuring a smooth and integrated experience. In the Clients tab, a comprehensive list of all your accounts is displayed. You can search it on the go, and if you tap on any account, you'll be able to access details, documents, chat threads, and notes. Within an account, the Documents tab allows you to view files by tapping on folders and upload new ones directly from your phone. You can use the Document Scanner, File Manager, or your photo library. Any document uploaded from your phone will also be available on the desktop app. From the Notes tab, you can view and add account notes for the selected account. These notes are not visible to clients, but can be viewed by all team members who have access to that client. In the Contacts page, just like with accounts, you can perform a quick search if you need to get in touch with a client immediately. When you open a contact from your list, you'll be able to call or email them directly. Adding a new account or contact is simple. Fill in the data as you normally would in the desktop version, and a new item will be added to your list. The Team tab allows you to communicate with team members either by messaging them directly or by posting in different channels. From the Work tab, you can efficiently manage both jobs and tasks directly from your mobile device. Within the Jobs section, you can view, edit, archive, or delete jobs. Adjust job details such as assignees, priority, and dates, and communicate with colleagues via comments and at mentions. For tasks, view their statuses, edit details, upload documents, manage subtasks and comments, or delete them when necessary. This tab provides a comprehensive view and control over your workload, helping you stay organized and productive on the go. By tapping on your profile picture, you can edit your profile, change the app language, configure push notifications by toggling them on or off, and access security settings. There you can set up two-factor authentication, enable or disable Face ID, and change your passcode. Finally, tapping the question mark in the top right corner gives you access to the Help Center, where you can request a feature, report bugs, and more.